Yes, vehicle to my left and to Shane's right. Welcome back everybody to Valvetronic Designs. This very green Miata could possibly be the most fun you can have for under about $100,000. Now this Miata has a very interesting exhaust configuration, the longest resonator I could possibly buy, and of course the universal valve muffler in the rear. Our objective is to showcase this car had...
Okay, the straight pipe before was absolutely horrible. Yeah. It has headers. It had a full straight pipe, like cherry bomb almost. It was just all the way out to the rear.
Awful, awful. It's still very loud, but the tone has been very much increased, and the car spits flames pretty much every shift. And of course, having the universal valve muffler, that's the big thing we want to showcase, is whether you've got like $3,000 Miata or like your $50,000 pickup or your $100,000 classic muscle build, twin turbo, whatever, the universal muffler works so well. So we're gonna showcase how well it works on this Miata today. On the airstrip, Shane's gonna drive and enjoy. You're gonna get to hang out with him for a little bit, showcase all the sound characteristics, and really revel in how spectacular this vehicle is. Let's get to it.
And Austin forgot to tell you guys the absolute best part of this entire car. Why don't we go to the back and look at the exhaust tip? Disregard the paw prints all over this. I think a cat decided to start living in it. Yeah, he was. How did he get in? Top was down. He was hanging out.
Oh, he's chilling. Bro.
Yeah, he was chilling. But this is a 5-inch carbon fiber GTR tip that we decided to throw on. But honestly, we didn't think it was going to make that crazy of a difference. But the flames it spits now is...
It's massive, yeah.
It's absolutely nasty. It's pretty outrageous. So we're going to get after it. Start up, revs, flybys, hard accelerations. We're going to put a GoPro on the rear bumper so you guys can see those flames. Airstrip time. Let's get to it. Chat, we are inside the world's best Mazda Miata. But you guys are gonna hear inside this car just the sound difference between valves open and valves closed. It is unreal. Start with valves closed. If this footage is a little shaky as well, I apologize. It's because this car is older than me. You could drive this on the highway and you won't even be able to tell that it's modified and actually be able to enjoy it. So, as you guys can hear, 3, 4, it's very quiet. But if we open up the valves, but as you guys can hear now, it's a lot louder. You get a bunch of pops, bangs, flames, no tune. sometimes you get those bangs on the downshifts. Motorsport type sound, which I love. I'll close up the valves again. It's like it's bone stock in here. Still get like a really nice sound, but it's super quiet. Give it a little valves open. Car also has an LSD, I found out, so it likes to get a little. She oftentimes swings out, especially in the wet like today. And that's it. Now this car sounds just as great as it looks. It's been an absolute blast messing with the sound on this car. Honestly, that universal muffler at the rear of the car is really what ties it all together. You guys can drive around, not bother anybody, or you can open it up and have fun on a nice back road.
This is the big thing, guys, is whether you have this or like that V6 Charger behind us or any of your daily driver cars, quite honestly, if you do a muffler delete or whatever exhaust mod you might think about doing, really consider what are your costs of those cost savings by not getting the Valvetronic, because your HOA, your neighbors, anybody around you, let's be transparent, guys. This Miata, although pretty silly, the sound is not lusted after by like a Gentani SVJ. It's a Miata. Nobody wants to hear that. You might want to hear it. And like for my Miata, it's the same thing. I drive probably 60% of the time with the valves closed.
Yeah, I'm probably like 90%.
Yeah, so, you know, having that respect for others, being able to have the control is really valuable. And of course, when you want to open it up, you get that great sound. So if you want to check us out at Valvetronic.com, get yourself a single set, dual set of universal valve mufflers. We got the T-style too for like the BMW X5s.
GTIs.
Yeah, GTIs, you know, all those cars. So we've got the flexibility ready for you guys to enjoy, and we'll catch you guys in the next sound improvement video. Thanks, guys.